Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to activate ATM card in ATM machine. Firstly, carefully open the sealed envelope provided by your bank. Inside you'll find the 4-digit PIN assigned to your debit card. Visit the nearest ATM machine affiliated with your bank and insert your debit card into the ATM slot. Enter your debit card number as prompt and input the ATM PIN provided in the envelope. The system will prompt you to set a new PIN for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter your preferred 4-digit PIN. Re-enter the PIN for confirmation, and once completed, you will see a confirmation message starting that the debit card is now activated. You can now use your debit card for transactions, withdrawals, and online purchases. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.